Hello, YouTube. Now I'm doing it again. And when I left off, a creeper blew up my house and maybe killed my Skeletor friend. Sadly. And what was even dumber? Sorry, my mic. Not my mic. My mouse has like crazy lag. Like it turns on, then it turns off, then it turns on, then it turns off, and you know, that's what I mean by lag. But oh no, I'm out of trapdoors. Whatever, or not trapdoors. Whatever in the heck they're called. Things of dirt. So, creeper came over, blew up my house. I had this random psychic ability thing, which told me that I was gonna blow it up. And obviously, as you can see, it's almost nighttime. And for that punishment, I'm going to sleep. My God. Quit lagging, mouse. What's in my inventory? I'm very sad right now. Oh, yes! There was some more, which I did not see. There we go. My cat may come up, so yeah. So this may have crazy lag, definitely. Number one, and okay, I'm just trying to get my cat off. Oh my God. Just in case, I'm keeping open this trap door. Better not die. And I better get a Skeletor again, or I'm gonna be furious. Okay. Oh, no Skeletor. Oh, that's sad. Just kidding, it's not sad at all. Stick, stone, sword, bone, wooden shovel. Where's my pickaxe? Don't you dare tell me that I don't have a pickaxe. I still remember making a pickaxe. Oh my God. And is these the wood pickaxe, man? I'm going to harvest it with some dirt. Just kidding, with a shovel. There, I only need one. I could chop you down, G. I swear to God, if there's a freaking creeper anywhere, I'm going to lead away from my house and then just like run up towards it and detonate my C4. Someone got hit. Dude, the mouse stopped working again. See that, man? See that? I have more glass right. Dang, got no more glass. Food. I'm food, yeah, food. Okay, but whatever. Booyah, booyah. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Make that. And booyah, booyah. That. A desk. Do that. Right there. And double tap it. Jump. I didn't really need to double tap at all. I'm gonna gather a lot of this stuff. Like, enough so that, dude, I will even literally show you, it'll be, it'll turn on and off and on and off. like my mouse looks at it. And just wait, there we go. And it turns on again, and it turns off and on. You better work. Okay, there we go. I want to download something other than this. It's not even the beta, it's a real game too. Dang it! Okay, so here we go. What in the heck? Ownage. Get out of my life, man. Nobody like you. Just kidding, man, like you. That sounded gay, you know. I mean, not gay, but yeah. Okay, I just had to do something. Okay, so I need to cover this. That creeper blew up my house. I'm furious. I wonder if you can make like your house undetectable by creepers. Please tell me if you can do that in the comments. But so I want to kill that creeper. It's like so tempting. Like if I ever had the chance, like, hey, you want to kill a creeper? Yes. Definitely. Why do I never have enough? My God. God. Go to my copper mining place. Eventually, I'm going to reach the bottom of the world, and I'm going to be all, told you so. Told you I was going to reach the bottom of the world. There we go. Stone axe. Foo. Foo. That's number 4, right? Yep, number 4. Do that. Okay, number 1. 4 again. Ownage. I'm going to... I know you don't like looking down from like my skeletal friends from like gigantic heights. You see, this game is kind of laggy. My sister's computer is way worse. She like it takes her 5 seconds to move because her computer is slow anyway. She has a laptop, but she doesn't have it with her right now, so I'm pretty sure she knows where it is. So. Okay, there we go. And so now I'm going out to get some freaking sand. God. I better be able to get the freaking sand or I'm gonna murder everybody. Bow and arrow. Psych. Did I just see obsidian? Oh my God. I swear, if I ever see obsidian, I'm going to harvest it. If I have the diamond pickaxe, obviously. Because that's like the only thing that you could harvest obsidian with, right? It better be, and you better be able to hear me. I'm sure you could. You could. Did I just... What is that? What is that? Is that clay? Is that useless clay? Oh my god. Can't do anything with clay. It's like it's so useless. Start off in slow motion first, then use a speed hacker and a sword. Use it to deflect. Stab him in the back. Snowball. What? What? Oh, wait a minute. So you're saying that I could harvest this and it will give me a snow? Oh my god, I can get like 1,000,000 snowballs. That sounded wrong. Okay, now it sounds gay. Now it sounds racist. Light bulbs. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop talking about this. Like, when you go like that, it doesn't do anything for you, but... I don't even remember. Oh, there it is. See, my game is so laggy. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Won't even let me double tap. Double tap. There we go. Oh my god! Son of a noob. Really, and lift it up. It works. And grab a sword, use it to deflect. Stab him in the back. Get down just in time and slap him in the face. Sorry, hold on a minute. What in the heck? What in the heck? With that? Oh my god. That's what it was. My monitor shut off. Okay. So, I forgot what I was gonna make. Oh yeah. First of all, it's the wrong spot. There. Booyah. Booyah. Grab a sword, use it to deflect. Stab him in the back. Get down just in time and slap him in the face. That seems like a really good home. Why do I have no volume on? There. I hope you can see better now, audience. There we go. So, there we go. Down just in time and slap him in the face. Friendly fire zone, apparently. Why don't she steal a blade? Make them use your own. Try my leg at my whips. And slow-mo. I am the first X-Man that took the head right time to hook and die with that guy. Second next me. Don't watch you walk away or you'll lose a hit and learning it. So, what? You ball guy with a cape at the open her escape boss waits patiently at the your shakes free. Okay, okie doke. Boss waits patiently at the shakes free. All the royal guards pee themselves. May mock cause a moth with his right hand. So dramatic zoom pan. Dozen phasers holding man. Cape clad bald guy sentenced the Yoda die. And he sees Altair here from the first game. He used to jump off those anyway. Under each of those there's a bale of hay. After you synchronize, leap of faith, not at the bird and people die. Okay, whatever. Watch the sunset. Sunset's already done. No! God, no! My foot hurts very bad right now because I've been sitting on it for about like 30 minutes. Okay, now to my sniping outpost, where I shall snipe everybody. Just kidding, wrong one. Okay, there we go. Oh my god! No! Oh, Nidge. Is that an Enderman? I never see Endermans. Just saying, like, but everybody's scared of Endermans. I feel lucky to find an Enderman. Oh, okay, no creeper, no creeper, no creeper. And my other one, Thunderpelt. I'm lucky to even see a monster other than a skeleton. Or, look at that, it's full moon. Or a, I'm lucky to see a monster other than a skeleton or zombie. Skeletor! My Skeletor friend, what difficulty is this on? It better be on no. It's on easy. Booyah. Oh my god, that's not easy! That's not freaking easy. Dumb. Enderman. Enderman. Oh my god. I can't even get into my freaking